Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone 13 runs the latest iOS and your carrier plan supports 5G. Once done, confirm your SIM or eSIM is active, otherwise 5G won't register. Now go to Settings, tap Cellular, then Cellular Data Options. You do this because the 5G controls live inside those menus. Make sure airplane mode is off and signal bars appear. This confirms the phone can switch network modes when we change the 5G settings. You now configure the 5G mode. Tap Cellular Data Options, then Voice and Data. Choose 5G Auto to let the iPhone prioritize battery life and switch when needed, or pick 5G on to force higher throughput at the cost of battery. Next, inspect Data Mode. Standard limits background tasks, while Allow More makes apps use full bandwidth. You do this so you control performance versus power. Finally, return to Cellular and review your carrier settings profile. Install updates if prompted. To finish, restart your iPhone to ensure the new 5G selection takes effect and watch for the 5G indicator in the status bar. If the phone doesn't show 5G, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset Network Settings. This clears cellular caches and often fixes provisioning issues. If that still fails, contact your carrier to confirm 5G is provisioned on your account and that you're in a 5G coverage area. Do this because sometimes the problem is on the carrier side.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.